In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple CRM on monday.com. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so your new board ends up in the right place for your team. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus icon. That's where you create new items across your workspace. From the menu that appears, choose board, then select new board. This will open the setup screen for your CRM. Give your board a clear name, type CRM, so everyone immediately understands what it's for. If you manage different markets or regions, you can add a short suffix like CRM, North, or CRM SMB, but keep the name concise so it's easy to find later. Next, choose the privacy level that fits your needs. Main makes the board visible to your team, private limits access to specific people, and shareable is great if you collaborate with external partners. Pick the option that matches how sensitive your sales data is and who needs to see it. Before creating the board, look for the leads option. Selecting leads uses a ready-made structure tailored for managing prospects. It gives you a strong starting point with columns that already map to typical sales workflows. Click Create Board to generate everything. Now it's time to customize your CRM. Start by adding leads. Each row represents a prospect, company, or deal. Use whichever approach matches how your team talks about opportunities. Enter a clear item name, such as the company or contact, so it's easy to scan. Assign a person to each lead so ownership is obvious. This keeps accountability tight and helps you filter by rep when you're reviewing pipelines or planning follow-ups. Update the status column to reflect where each lead is in your process. The color coding makes it easy to spot what needs attention. Keep your stages simple and mutually exclusive, like new, contacted, qualified, and won or lost, so everyone updates consistently. Set a date to track key moments. Most teams use this for the next follow-up or a promised demo. Using dates turns your CRM into a scheduling tool, making it easier to sort, filter, and stay on top of deadlines. Finally, add any columns you need to capture essential context. Common additions include phone, email, deal value, a drop-down for lead source, and a notes or long text column for call summaries. Keep column names short and consistent, and drag to reorder them so the most important fields appear first. And that's it. You've signed in, created a new board with the leads set up, and customized it with owners, statuses, dates, and the columns your team needs. Save your changes, and you're ready to start managing your pipeline with clarity and confidence.